James dear so me fan is abediatry intino at least say obi ewo secretary intino so obi wo ho no man as see obi wo ho no yeah experience at least no one as na betumi asua bibi from that person. But this is the case I say to be honest I say James qualification no sabi wo shoro kakra esne Kafui to me.
In terms of works,
when
it comes to the movie,
because Kafui means shut down maybe something is going on underground. I mean, but if you're a movie person, if you're an industry person, now we are there so underground to me personally. But I feel so James, I think that last time I met him at Hits FM. Now I think most of the work
to say the Nigeria and heavy producers in the use
and if not anything and to me personally, they may feel say and the kind of experience in terms of work baby awako do internationally he
swish
and kamesisa
what the best no be CEO no proper
CEO no nanka ebia Kafui kra me nya sure say asie ho no kra me de be she but what the yem fan say yes switch ya no be ba asie ho no nanka James ayeden akosro because I feel say James has worked hard, he's built it, even though he doesn't have the experience. So I never say John DeMolon so need that experience.
No, but he's into agriculture.
Agriculture.
It's not there when you experience on the field.
And James is also still on the field.
On the field.
So what you say? What that international appeal no honoma a bit to me because that NFL hono and some more. There's a lot of problems there. Ye here nipa sebe ombe to me abua because now if you mention the Ghana, movie industry and I say film industry, conversations around it and it's not good. Or no, James Nokraka say I say Ghana Hanum when it comes to the movie industry, we are not serious like that. And I'm hoping say or no abe with the help of the CEO, they will help put some seriousness in there.